Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Rockauto.com. All the parts your car will ever need. Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Oil Udder, funny name, clever tools. And by Oil Undercoating, the official oil-based rust prevention system.
You are watching Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, and you just got to look at the AP Lazer. It's a great device. It's going to help you customize just about anything. Bradley Powers, you've been in the printing business for a long time. What made you decide to grab an AP Lazer and start doing stuff with that?
It's all about diversification and trying to expand our outreach. And as you can see from previous times that we've been on the show to even now, there's a lot of things you can do with the AP Lazer that you just can't with other machines.
Why did you pick AP Lazer over the other lasers that are out there?
So AP has a patent on the open architecture, so that bottom Z-bed comes out and you can pass through anything you want to. So you're not stuck and limited by just oh, well, we have a 4-foot pass-through door. No, we're not limited by size, we're not limited by thickness, we can do whatever you need.
So explain the open architecture a little bit more.
So the open architecture allows us, as you can see with the barrel that we've done on the show previously, to remove that Z-bed and roll a barrel underneath and not have to lift that barrel up or anything special, and that top actually comes off. So you can take it to a floor in a commercial building and etch their floor if they need it done. Very cool, and you brought an array of things that you do here every day in your business. So let's talk about the different materials that you're etching on with the AP Lazer. So you have acrylics with the night lights and the Virginia International Speedway cutout that you can see down below. Which I love, by the way. Yes, it's a great track. And as you can see, night lights are very popular. You can do racing themes, you can do children's themes. The list goes on, and then you can venture out, as you can see, this mini cowhide rug, which is a very hot market item right now. And who doesn't love Dolly Parton and Betty White? Not it. I love them both. It costs a lot of money to look this cheap. I live by that motto. Absolutely. I love it. Now, how hard is it to go from one material to another? Because here we have a cowhide. We've seen you on the show doing metal. We've seen you doing wood and all these different fabrics and everything. So how hard is it to go from one thing to another with the AP Lazer? So the best part about the AP Lazer is it comes as a turnkey package. So you are ready from day one to do whatever you need to do, whether it be changing up to a rotary, to flats, to taking the Z-bed out and doing something else. They have that turnkey package, which makes it super easy. And you have a list of test settings that you can go by, and then you can get on the Facebook user group and see what other people are doing, or you can always call the 24/7 tech support and get an expert's help. How good is the tech support when you call? I can tell you I've called at 3 a.m. and actually got a person who answered, and they were not asleep. They were perfectly awake, and they were able to help me, and I was able to get back in about 15 minutes. Now, the AP Lazer takes something that's ordinary and makes it into something extraordinary. What is it like when folks, bring in an object just like the cowhide or something like that, and you give it back to them and it's personalized? For example, the Western world and the cowhides, we will take and put the newborn's name on it, and they will take their newborn photos on that rug. And that becomes kind of like a blanket. And it's just something that no one else can do. It's very special. Let's talk about some of the projects you've done on the show and some of the stuff you've done elsewhere as well. We can go all the way back to the first time we were here on the show with the DeSoto and the custom valve covers, the oil cap cover. And we can even go to the inside of a car where you can do leather etched headrest and leather custom upholstery for the upholstery shops in your area. You can take it and go all the way to the drifting car where we did the intake manifold cover for that racer. And that was something very special that meant a lot to you. And some of the coolest stuff you've done, body panels on the outside and even a car hood. Yes, we did the Screaming Chicken hood on Performance TV, which was very cool. You had a successful printing business. What did you do when you decided to add the AP Lazer? How did you decide which machine to add to your arsenal? Well, Shannon helped us out a lot with that because she dived into how we do print on demand, embroidery, screen printing, banners, signs, the whole kit and caboodle, and she actually saw that we needed the larger machine based on our needs and our projections. So we chose the larger machine and we haven't looked back. And that's the reason why we love AP Lazer and their sales team, because they will actually help you decide which level laser you truly need, whether it's the largest or one of the smaller units. Well, there's a whole lot of reasons to love AP Lazer. You can check it out at aplazer.com/TV. We will return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so do not go away.